If you're looking for a way to solve respiratory distress and eye discomfort for cats, this Felisyl L-Lysine gel contains essential L-lysine amino acid that inhibits feline herpes virus replication, which commonly causes sneezing, runny nose, and watery eyes. This vet-formulated gel strengthens immune defenses to help cats breathe easier and stay comfortable. The salmon-flavored gel applies easily on paw or noses for stress-free dosing. NASC certified and made in USA with high-quality standards, works for all life stages from kittens to senior cats, providing comprehensive immune and respiratory support.